Today I am ending this first unit of the main star races that has been involved with our collective and are coming more into view within the world today. There have been many more races involved, but the ones I have chosen to speak about have been the ones that have been whispered within your hearts and spoken loudly and excitedly amongst kindred spirits in Starseed communities, mocked and laughed at by those who don't want to see what is going on. They are not ready. Maybe this is not their lifetime to be so. It is their choice. It always starts with a choice to how you choose to see this world, this life, and this universe, and the bigger picture of what is happening. It is daunting to finally awaken and see how this universe was never meant for just one race, but actually reflects the many souls within you. Space is vast, just as you are unlimited in your design. That is right. You are a creator. You are the asleep one. You are the dream maker, the Eru Iluvatar from J.R.R. Tolkien's stories. It is you who have been asleep for so long, only to begin to awaken now to your true potential. My lessons are written in a way to not just give you the facts, but to show how all the races reflect an essential part of you. Each race stands together to represent something deep within the human spirit. They are neither enemies nor allies, but are actually a representation of the possibilities within yourself. I hope my exercise has started you on a deeper journey to not see the star races as something outside of yourself across the galaxy, but as something that is already part of you. Each race you resonate with is a vibrational match to the reality you wish to experience and the image you wish to create yourself as. Half is hidden away from you as a soul you have always been, separated from Prime Source, to represent something for the collective. And the other part is something you create as you go along. You are the creator, a creator amongst other creator souls, and each universe you create will reflect your unique perspective, ideals, goals, visions, and images you created before you were in a physical vessel before time and space. Yes, there is a galactic war, only because there is a spiritual war amongst asleep souls who have forgotten who they really are. The wars with the reptilians reflect the war within, battling your subconscious that has been the part of you that has been asleep for a long time. It is time to come home, and that is really what these galactic races symbolize. The Galactic Federation is an open embrace calling all human souls further into space. Humanity is all grown up. Each species has its points of thresholds reached, and humanity has reached theirs as a collective that has reached its tipping point of awakened souls. The unity growing between these star races are only a reflection of the unity growing between people of different color, race, gender, lifestyle, choice, perspectives on Earth. People are awakening to something deeper within them that is calling to them to discover the common denominator, primal and original, because it comes from the Prime Source, where your mind connects back to its quietest moments of reflection and watching the world stand still before you, watching people move away from you and around you, loving all souls as they are and seeing them as you and you as them from their eyes. Something is calling to all souls to put down their weapons of wars, and to those who listen, it is loud and clear and leads them to joy and laughter while here. That one thing that has the power to remove all illusions of separation is love. Love is us. We are love. Love is a being, an essence that is within everything, that knows itself and hides within the things that do not see itself and has forgotten. Ignorance is its cover, but the light is far too strong, and out of the darkness comes the light. As the Big Bang, a new universe is always created even after this one is gone. We are the collective that lives on. Our starseed heritage is just a reflection of our human souls awakening and seeing God within all things around us. It is God looking into the mirror and knowing itself as one once again. One family of light, one universe surrounded by infinite choices, which represent the infinite universes around us and within us. Our new Earth will be one that expresses this awareness of interconnection growing within. Will the negative beings who are being dominating and controlling over humanity's path change and allow for humanity's true liberation within their lives? Only time will tell if they too awaken. I can tell you that love is indeed the answer, a love that you possess within your heart as you look up to the stars and know this universe is full of souls who are all one in the end anyways. I welcome you to the next units that will be my pleasure to create with you, a Pleiadian vision of joy, sovereign beings, and a beautiful earth that will last for billions more years to come. I thank you for coming on this journey with me. I cannot promise you where it will take us, but I am following the original calling within my soul that has been there before space-time, and that is love. My love for all souls, for all races in this universe, to see through their differences just as the climax of World War III drama happens, and remember their connection to one another. How they were separated in the beginning, and now it is time to return to one another. If you hear the call, it is time to return to the prime source within. No homework this time. Just listen to these words and let them be something you reflect on. If you are ready for a new dream together, a new chapter of New Earth, and for your potential to be realized, then I will see you on the next unit for Dimensions of Reality.